Do you ever wonder what you can do with this old hair gel left over from the 90s? Let's make a fun activity with our child. Welcome back, EdelKampers, to another teachable moment where we explore, experience, and educate together. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fall sensory bag with your child. All you need is some hairstyling gel, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, clear packing tape, painter's tape, which is optional, corn kernels, a green, yellow, and black Sharpie, and a Ziploc bag. First, you're going to remove your Ziploc bag label by using just a little bit of alcohol. If you have an alcohol wipe, that'll work as well. And just rub it off. And you can have your child do that as well. It's kind of like magic. Next, draw 4 cobs of corn on the front of the bag using the black and green Sharpies. It's a little windy out here today. Still like working at that picnic table, makes it much simpler. Cleanup's easier too than inside the RV if you're outside. It's so beautiful. You can shade those leaves in green. And you can draw this on your bag, or you can have your child create their own corn cobs on their bag. We're going to add a little bit of yellow just to give it that fall look. Changes that shade of green. And there are your 4 cobs of corn. Now let's write the numbers that you want your little one to learn, or even addition problems for the older ones inside the corn cobs. So we're going to do 10, 9, 8, there goes that wind again, 8, and 7 for our little ones to work on counting. Next, we're going to put in the hair gel and the corn kernels. Your little ones are going to really enjoy this part. So open up the bag, open up your hair gel, place some hair gel into the bag. Oh, that much will do. After placing the hair gel in, place your kernels of corn into there and seal your bag. You might want to move some of that air out of there and allow your child to smooth that gel all around. Or if you're making it for them, you can do that. You're going to make sure those kernels are easily moving in that gel, so you may need to add just a little bit more. Once you've gotten the air out of it, you've sealed it, we want to seal it tighter so there's no accidents. So just put a little clear packing tape on it and turn it over and seal it tighter. And voila, you have a nice counting sensory bag. You can bring your kernels down to the center. So that you can teach your child how to play this game without you. This is great for fine motor skills as well as counting. You can also tape it to the table with painter's tape to make it easier for them to use. This is optional. Have them identify the number and then start counting their corns and put them in to match the number. Sensory play engages your child's senses and has a huge positive impact on brain development. So happy counting, enjoy your sensory bag. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel.